Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And things are definitely looking shaky right now. You can't say that the chart is totally destroyed, or you can't really call it a pump and dump or anything like that. It's definitely been a gap and trap. There's no doubt about it that it's been a gap and trap. Real quick, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Wednesday, the price closed right there. On Thursday, the price opened up right there, hence the gap up. But ever since then, the price has just been going further and further downwards, including today. So again, sure, it's been a gap and trap, but like I said, calling it a pump and dump would be excessive. And saying that the entire chart is destroyed would also be excessive. But the level in my mind that is now, the must-hold level, no excuses, is right here at 8.5 cents. Why is 8.5 cents so important going into next week? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just, for explanation's sake, if the price were to go down to 8.5 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing with the price? Well, from the very literal perspective at that point, that would be putting the price literally right back into that range where it was before the big gap up even happened. And when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, not saying it'll happen, and to give credit where credit's due, so far, that price has been doing a good job of holding above there. You can see it bounced right from there. So if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you would still technically have a set of lows there and a set of lows down there. If you picture those as stair steps, you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. But as far as I'm concerned, there's no more wiggle room. There's no more kind of grace period after that. The price has really got to stay up above 8.5, or else, like I said, that from a very literal perspective, that threatens putting the price right back to where it was. If there is any sort of bounces back to the upside, then as I talked about on Thursday, key level resistance still remains that pink line up there, the 200 period moving average. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority. Top priority is trying to stabilize out and making sure that the price literally doesn't go right back to where it started. So we'll see if the price can stay up above 8.5 cents next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.